In this location, you have your washer fluid cap, cover for your jump start post, rubber that forms part of your system to stop water going into the engine compartment, and cover that covers your McPherson strut top. Moving forward to this location, you have your vehicle identification number, wiring harness, and rubber that forms part of your system to stop water going into the engine compartment. Moving forward from the previous location, you have your negative jump start post, other wiring harness, bracket to attach wiring or pipe in different versions of the car, and other components. Located in this area, you have your coolant pipe, intercooler pipe, heat shield, and chassis rail. At the very front of the engine compartment, you have your information stickers on your left-hand headlight, cover to gain access to the inside of that headlight, one of your left bonnet latches, external Torx fasteners, internal Torx fasteners, crush can. Located behind the previous location, you have your air filter lid with two of your fasteners, air filter box ribs, and other components. Behind the previous location, you have your oil cooler, pipe that's part of that system, cartridge style oil filter, wiring harness for your mass airflow sensor, and pipe that goes from your air filter. Behind the previous location, you have your auxiliary belt system with belt, air conditioning compressor pulley, alternator pulley, belt tensioner pulley, and other components. In this location, you have your throttle body, electronics with throttle body itself, alternator with main positive feed, electrical connector, coolant holes, belt, and AC compressor with pipe. In the front of the engine compartment, you have your expansion tank with pressure cap, alignment arrows, expansion line, and fastener to keep that side of the air filter lid in position. To the right of the expansion tank, you have your two dust covers for your air conditioning recharge valves. At the rear right of the engine compartment, behind the cover, you have your ABS modulator. In this location, you have your oil filler cap. With the engine cover removed, you can see your engine control unit, electrical connectors, intake manifold, and sensor that is part of your air monitoring system. Other things that are under the engine cover are your sound deadening that covers your fuel injectors, fuel pipes, fuel rail, and other components. In this location, you can see your cover wires go into your coil packs and other components. I did not have time to film myself putting the engine cover back on, but I did put the engine cover back on after filming. Thank you very much for watching my video, and goodbye.